In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create section grids in Wix Studio. Section grids are a fast, reliable way to organize content, keep layouts consistent, and make your design look polished without endless manual alignment. We'll start right inside the Wix Studio site editor and move through choosing a grid and customizing it so it fits your content perfectly. Once you're in the site editor, look to the top left and click the plus icon. This opens the panel where you add elements to your page. Think of this as your toolbox. From here, you'll find everything from text and images to structural tools that control how your sections are laid out. Head to the Layout Tools category. This is where Wix groups the structural helpers, and it's where you'll see the different section grid layouts you can choose from. You'll notice options with various column and row combinations, from simple two-column grids to more complex arrangements. Pick a layout that closely matches the way you want your content to flow. Starting with a good base layout keeps editing quick and clean. Select the grid you want, and it will drop into your section. Right away, you can begin shaping it to your needs. You can adjust the size of the grid to fit the section's space and fine-tune how much room each column or row takes. This helps you balance text blocks, images, and buttons so nothing feels cramped or uneven. If you need more structure, add more grids. Expanding the grid lets you introduce extra columns or rows for new content areas, like testimonials alongside images, or a gallery next to a call to action. As you edit, pay attention to spacing. Consistent gaps between items help your design breathe and improve readability. Keep important elements aligned within the cells so visitors can scan your page easily. A helpful tip is to place your most important content in the most prominent cells, and use the remaining cells to support it with visuals or additional details. Also, keep proportions in mind. Wider columns are great for images, while narrower ones often suit headings and short text. And that's it. Click the plus icon, go to Layout Tools, choose a section grid, and then customize by adjusting the size and adding more grids as needed. With just these steps, you can build professional, structured sections that look great and stay consistent across your site.